Do you need any help?
Yeah, I need for meat cow.
Okay, to cut?
Yes.
Well, that's a great knife to cut meat. Is it a big piece of meat?
Oh yeah.
Okay, well, that's a great knife, yeah.
It's very بطعم نويح. It's long.
It is long. It's for big pieces of meat. So if you're going to cut smaller pieces of meat, do you need a smaller knife?
Do you have short?
A shorter knife?
Yeah.
We are actually out of it at the moment, but if you come back, then we'll probably have some more.
إذا أقول أنا حدنا إننا بحلاوي مدرسي مسل كم خمسة مدبل قاعد مسل مدبلي.
Excuse me?
It's a country culture. He's dancing like the one.
With the knife?
Guradia.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Like Guradia is very long. I want short.
Okay, if you come back again, maybe on Tuesday is when we get new shipment. New knives.
I take this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, well, I'll take you up front.
Okay.
All right. All right, have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, come again.
Okay.
Welcome in.
Thank you.
This one is $6.99. This one will be $3.75. And this one is on sale for $16.20.
Don't worry, no problem.
Okay, great. Well,
مخباركو خبير إني أخنا حقوسك لنا أنا مرتاح بهالك يا أخي.
excuse me?
أكمل بتعمل صبو. Good.
Okay, good. Your grand total will be, let's see, $29.52.
مرة قربتي قالت كنا ندعمه. طيب بهالودة. جيت أحد حقوسي. أنا ناي.
Okay, thank you.
Don't worry back. That's okay. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Keep.
Okay.
موشش بهالبحدنا موشش.
Excuse me?
موشش. Tip.
Tip. Oh, okay, yeah, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right. All right, have a great day. All right, bye.
Thank you.
Come back soon. So your grand total will be $125.63.
That's okay. That's okay, Milan. 100.
25
25
and 63 cents.
Okay, take it. Cash.
All right, let's see here. 120. All right.
Yeah, keep change. Keep.
Sir, you have more than $10 in change.
Okay, Milan, don't worry. I'm a rich man.
Oh, okay. Well, hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Come again.
Hi, Mary. Hi, how are you?
Hi. I'm Hildana. Remember? You forgot my name.
I forget many times because very hard.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. Yeah.
How today?
Today's good. I'm taking a lot of orders. We have a party coming up, so.
Okay.
Yes.
Coming. Customer is coming.
A lot of customers today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you citizen American?
Am I an American citizen?
Yes.
Yes, I am actually. I was born and raised here.
Are you married?
Am I married? No, I'm not married.
Oh, I want marriage.
You're getting married?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Are you inviting me to your wedding?
Nah, me and you.
Excuse me?
Me and you marriage.
I'm confused. I don't understand.
Because many times he come back again. You forget?
Yeah, you came back. You come here all the time, yeah.
Yeah, you miss me.
No, I don't know, sir. I don't even know you. We don't even know each other. If I say come back again, I say it to everybody, not just to you. It's customer service.
شيلي يا أخي شمت عبزي أنا معاس سرفا اللي نخوي نخوي خبز نبرتكم عسرتك come back again.
Excuse me?
Yeah, many times he come back again. Almost whole months.
Sir, that was just customer service. This must be a really big misunderstanding. I mean, we don't even know each other. Yeah, that's something I say to everybody who walks into the store.
Me, I miss you.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is a really big misunderstanding. But that is not what this is at all.
أنا ورا هذيك سالتي أنا بالكوسي ما نسكح حاجة خاصة إنه.
Sir, I don't know what you're saying. I'm so sorry. Yeah, this is a big misunderstanding. I'm very What is all this?
I want to return. I need my money.
You want to return all of this?
Yeah. أما كنا كمان على بومولك مرسي. مرحبا خد عمليش كها نبرك كبر كده اللي خن.
Do you have the receipt, sir?
I don't have receipt. Already throw trash.
Okay, I cannot let you return this without a receipt.
Huh?
I can't.
اسمع على عندي بشكل رسيخيو.
I'm very sorry. I can't let you return it.
No. I want my money.
I cannot give you your money back without a receipt.
No. كم سبحان الله قريت يلنا. نبرات كذي نبراتكم نزين.
Sir, maybe.
I bring from here.
Maybe you left the receipt at home. You can go get it and then bring
No,
it back.
already it's lost.
I'm sorry.
No. I need my money all.